വേണ്ട
അല്ല കാണാം ഇതിൻ്റെ അത് കാണാം
കാണാം 10 rupees, some calories to become more fat. So I'm really excited that I came here.
Everybody is party.
Oh, here. So he was asking like, is this for YouTube? He says, then I just shake my head like. Hello guys, welcome back to the channel once again. I'm Rupesh Riyang and right now I'm here in Kerala. And by seeing this area, you won't believe that this is Kerala, because see, this is a village here and it's jungle everywhere here. Because I choose to come in the jungle area because like I have always been to town area and cities area here in Kerala, so I thought like why not go to a remote area. So basically there are some water buffaloes out there. Two are there. It reminds me of my native place in Tripura because I also live in a village area, so it's basically like this, quiet and gentle and with grass and with fresh air. Oh, I forgot to mention something. Actually we are going to I have a destination and plan. We are going to Paral Bridge, which is in Varapalli West area. So he was asking like, is this for YouTube? He says, then I just shake my head like this and said, yes, it is for YouTube. Those cocks out there, it reminds me of my home because we have cock and chicken in my home also. So guys, right now I'm here just in the side of Kodu River, in the bank of Kodu River, and this is that bridge, and nearby we have got the St. Anthony's Church, Paral. So maybe we're going to go to the church. Let's see. So this is St. Anthony's English Medium School, and this is probably the church. Guys, अभी हम लोग Paral Bridge में जा रहे हैं. I mean we are going to the Paral Bridge and this is some kind of village here. You know, when I was back there in Tripura, when I used to be a school student, like I used to walk more than like 10 kilometers every week, sometimes like 6 kilometers a day, because I love traveling and going to new places. And when I was in school, you know, I was restricted to go to like various places. I was just confined to my area, to my locality. So I used to like go to new places without telling my parents that I went to some places like around like 10 kilometers away. Like I just go travel and come back, explore new places, because I was really curious to discover new places. Wow, it's a beautiful scene. You can see the boat out here. So basically I used to just run away from home and explore. Like I just told them that I'm going to my grandma's house, but I don't go to my grandma's house and go out somewhere else and explore new places. So that's what I used to do, and that's what I love doing, and that's what created my craze for travel and seeing new places. So that's why we are traveling right now in a village area. Everywhere we go we can see water bodies like rivers and fields. I mean, I think it's some crop field, berry field, who knows. So yeah, basically it's like plain areas in Tripura. I mean, when we go to Telamura and Agartala, we see this kind of field and ground where there is like stagnant waters with some hydrophytes. This is obviously a typical village, and there are a lot of similarities with Tripura villages. So I think Kerala is not too different from Tripura. It's almost like Tripura, but Kerala is more developed when it comes to cities and towns, and it have more good infrastructure because the government is doing good. So guys, right now I came to Motor Hub, and this is a two-wheeler garage, and this Chatai was so friendly to me. Thank you, Chatai, for being friendly. And they have given me so much information about the locality here, so we can see a lot of water here in the field for
the paddy field.
Paddy field, no? So we're going to go there and see the paddy field, and I think it's your first experience because most of you don't know how Kerala like cultivate paddy. So thank you, Chata. And I'm going.
Not here. Everybody is paddy field.
Oh, here in my state also, but I think the technique is different. Little different. So let's go and explore there to the paddy field. Thank you, Chata.
Thank you.
And if you guys want to repair your like two-wheelers, if you are in Changmasari, most of my friends, SB car, come here and repair your like two-wheelers if you are willing to. Oh bhai sahab, look at this beautiful scene here, and I think this is the paddy field, but there is so much water out here. I don't know how they plant paddy here. Maybe during the season of paddy मुझे लगता है कि ये पानी सूख जाता होगा जब लाइक चावल लगाना होता है तब पानी सूख जाता होगा। तो बेसिकली रिमाइंड्स मी, आई मीन आई हैव बीन टेलिंग द सेम थिंग। ये सिर्फ मेरा गांव में होता है, लाइक पेरीफील्ड होता है, लेकिन पेरीफील्ड में इतना पानी नहीं होता मेरे गांव में। और ये इलेक्ट्रिक क्या क्या कहेंगे उसे, ये टावर होता है, वो भी मेरा विलेज में होता था। तो आई मीन होता है, लेकिन होता होगा पता नहीं क्या बोल रहा हूँ। तो आई एम रियली एक्साइटेड दैट आई केम हियर। और मुझे नहीं लगता कि यू कैन हियर मी प्रॉपरली गाइज, बिकॉज द विंड इज़ ब्लोइंग एंड ओ गॉड इज़ रियली अमेजिंग प्लेस। आई लव दिस प्लेस। I wonder why I have not come to this place earlier, but जो भी हो मज़ा आ रहा है बहुत। Guys, right now I'm thinking that why I did not come to this place earlier. I mean, it was very close to my place, to my college campus. I don't even need to take an auto or bus or any transport, like public transport, anything. It was just close, just walking distance, but I never came here. See, there are a lot of water lily or lotus out there. I'm not aware about the plants living in this area, so correct me, okay guys. Paddy plantation, but I don't know how they do this, because in Tripura the land for paddy plantation is quite dry. It doesn't have this much water, but here there is a lot of water. And I think because of this there are a lot of fish out here. So we have 1.4 kilometers more to reach Parallel Bridge. So I'm going to off the camera for now because I need to preserve the church, because I don't have extra battery. I have to buy it. Behind these plants we can see some coconut plants out there, and after that we can see the water bodies out there. So I think that's the reason why Kerala have flood all the time, because it has so much water, and I think its ground level is lower than sea level. I don't know. Look at the water. The water is crystal clear. We can see the fish out there. Small varieties of fish. I don't know the name of the species, but I think I have studied about them in my zoology class, but I really don't recognize them. Oh, there's a big one as well. There might be bigger fishes. So guys, basically right now I am in middle of somewhere, and chai ki chuski. I mean chai ki chuski. What do they call? I mean MSK and Satya Sagar said something, right? Anyway, let's just try our tea. It's nice. And I'm sorry for the voice, because here the wind is blowing very fast and it might affect the voice of the GoPro. I don't know. I mean, I don't know when I edit this, right? So anyway, see you in the next part of the video. So yes, finished. Time to go. Time to pay and go. I left the cup there. 10 rupees. A GoPro camera. So I actually speak some Malayalam language, but when they sell numerical words in Malayalam, I don't understand it. So when he said patta, I don't know, like it is 10 rupees. Thank you, Chara. So back to the track. अभी पैसा डाल लेता हूँ मैं अपनी लाइक वॉलेट पे. It's so windy out here. Anyway, the people there were very friendly. लोग बहुत अच्छे, and that's what I need to show, you know. I mean, how people are and how the place is. That's what I wanted to show. Like, I was planning to make a food vlog today. I mean, yeah, I told you in my previous video that I'm going to make some food vlog, but I did not make it because I was kind of lazy, and I don't know if the video will be viral or not. And like, it's too expensive, you know. Food vlogs are very expensive, and I thought, why not try some other like extreme travel vlogs instead of food vlogs, because food vlog is damn expensive. Basically I can remove my marks here because no one is around here technically. I mean, no one is, basically, yeah, no one is around here. I mean, we can just see some vehicles passing the road, otherwise it's an empty place. And it kind of remind me of Komlachora, you know, like Komlachora have this kind of straight road in between the paddy fields, and that Charai said that this is the paddy field. So this is the paddy field and this is the road in between the paddy field. So it reminds me, nostalgic feeling of my locality there, Komlachora. I love Komlachora, you know. When it comes to Tripura's village, Komlachora is one of the best villages in Tripura. So yeah, I kind of miss that place. 9 more minutes to go and 750 meters to walk. I just wanted to explore this area, like village area in Kerala, so I just choose this Paral bridge. So we are close to Paral viewpoint, so let's go and enjoy. Abhi chal raha tha ye. I saw this lizard. It can live in water and it can live in land, I guess. So like it's kind of amphibians. The water is very clear. This is why Kerala cannot have tourism. I mean tourism. Like, there is so much to see: the ocean, the beach, the hills in Munnar and Alapura. I mean sorry, the hills in Munnar and Katapana. What is Katapana? Idiki district, Wayanad and so on. Pulmuri. They take these boats to the water bodies to catch some fish. So that's how they do it.
कितना रुपया
15,000.
कितना रुपया
15,000.
50,000
15.
വള്ളം പിടിച്ചാ കാണോ
വേണ്ട
അല്ല കാണോ ഇതിന്റെ അത് കാണോ
കാണാ താങ്ക് യു
വീഡിയോ
video YouTube will upload. Thank you. As I told earlier, like friendly people out here. लोग वहाँ पे नहा रहा था और यहाँ पे बोट भी था, तो I assume that these waters are very deep and they are not used for paddy plantation, and I think they are used for paddy plantation when the water dries. Correct me if I'm wrong, guys, because I don't know do any research. I just came out for a blog and I need to make vlog because I need to get views. That's what YouTubers need, you know. Basically we all YouTubers need views, and that's the reason why I came out to make vlog, because I need views, because like my monthly YouTube income is pending because I don't have views. This 1 month I was busy with my semester exam, and then coronavirus lockdown. I can't go to restaurants and make food vlogs and blah blah blah. So I just thought I'll go to a village and make a vlog out there. So here I am. I think you are tired seeing this place all the time, water bodies all everywhere. So see you guys in the Paral bridge. And I don't have extra battery, I have to buy it, and I'm waiting for my YouTube money to buy the extra battery for the GoPro, because I don't want to like spend my parents' money, because YouTube is my dream, not my parents' dream. So I have to invest my own money. So I'm waiting for my money, YouTube money, and for that I need views. So guys, please share this video and please help me, because your brother, your friend is just a small YouTuber and he need to grow. I mean I need to grow my YouTube channel and I need your support for that. So please help me, guys. Why the car is so fast here? And this leaf belong to lotus, and there's a lotus bud out there, lotus flower out there, but I won't go closer because I'm afraid that there might be some snakes or something. But you can see fish out there. Small fish are always there. I mean it's full of diversity, food, I mean it's full of life out here in these water bodies. So I think we're close to the bridge. What was the name of the bridge? I forgot the name. I mean it's difficult for me to remember name here in Kerala. So Paral bridge. So I just have more 200 meters, so I think it is out there. So yeah, this time I'm going to vlog after reaching the Paral bridge, and I'm serious this time. So guys, finally we're here in Paral bridge, and yeah, this is the backwater here in Kerala. So in this backwater you can see boats, and bigger boats I think. It is used for transportation. I have seen that in Alapura, and yeah, this is it, Paral bridge. So I think we are going to be exploring across the bank of the bridge. So let's see. Amazing place, and I feel happy and satisfied to finally reach here in the Paral bridge. Where? Opposite. So guys,
Nuhulia tangi ching no chuka saka afa Bia langsa goha nai di tansa nya dofa Lama rimi kasle tongo komor mani lama wote kisil sinai sabono Kosi si di jaya no Muksa pano kanya tsugya tangi koke kotor Baitang nike hamya nukya bunyi bagai botor